Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used 2022 edition Audi A1 Sportback S line that does come complemented in the modernised metallic Chronos grey paintwork, complemented by the S line exterior styling for that sporty edge. It does house your petrol engine and manual transmission, making it an ideal nippy city runaround, with plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your LED headlights, stylish 17-inch alloy wheels and the protection of your parking sensors. Moving into the boot area, you will find enough space to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials, whilst the part leather upholstery offers a comfort and style with your fitted ISOFIX points to assist when installing those car seats. The front does house your multifunctional leather S steering wheel for further convenience whilst driving, alongside access to your central touch display screen, and you do also have the modernised edge of your S embossed badging. Moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you will find an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data and audio, with a similar access on your central touch display. Again, your Bluetooth connection to stay connected on the go, and your radio stations. For an enhanced driving experience, you do also have your Audi Drive Select, alongside your driving assistance for added safety, including your lane departure warning to reduce the chance of any collisions. You do also have your servicing and checks and general settings, followed just below by your manual air conditioning, central power outlets, and of course central cup holders and small storage pocket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.